Hey guys, it's the DJ Stocks here, and it's a Monday, August 4th. Didn't do much trading today, although my Robinhood stock hit where I wanted it to. I think I'm going to hold on another day and see if I can make myself another 500 bucks. So we'll let that go. If you've been watching the channel, we lost on paper $19,000 on Friday when the market was down. It bounced back today. I think I probably made $17,000 of that back by doing nothing this morning. Pretty much everything was up, and led by Palantir and Google, right? We've been talking about Google on this channel. Got myself a lot of Google, and Nvidia busted up again a little bit, very nicely, 3-4 bucks. So I have a very nice, robust, quality portfolio, and it seems like I can make $3,000-4,000 even on a bad day. So it's going well. Let's talk about retirement a little bit. A lot of people don't realize I'm a retired dude. I've been retired for about maybe 5 years come October. I got out of the rat race when I was like 56, and don't regret it. Don't regret it. I got as much money as I had on the day that I retired, if not more. First couple of years, I didn't really do much. Just kicked back and spent my money. Although, see, we live under our means here, so we don't get. I haven't bought a new car since like 2015. That's my newest car is 2015. I also got a 2008 and a 2011. So we're not into cars. Although if you watch our channel, you know we do a lot of car videos, but we only buy a car when we need to, right? Unlike some people just go through cars on a yearly basis. So retirement's been good. I, I don't I don't regret retiring, and like I said, I worked in big Fortune 500 IT with a software called SAP, which is ERP, big massive corporate software, and it was all right. I didn't enjoy it. It was a job. Like I said, it was a job. Since I've been 45, I've been chomping at the bit to retire. So I just kept saving and saving money into my 401k, and counting it as it went in, and crossing my fingers that all would be okay until I could retire. So went through several layoffs through the years, just like everybody else. We all get laid off, and those were challenging. Those were challenging times when working at a company for 10 years and you got to pull up your roots and go find another company and prove yourself all over again. That's tough. That's tough, especially as you get older. So that wasn't fun, but that was a necessary evil of the layoffs. And I feel for these young kids. Although a lot of these kids are getting laid off, they don't have many years in with the company, so maybe that helps a little bit. I don't know. Anytime you get pushed out by someone, it doesn't leave a good taste in your mouth. So I suspect even the young kids have a hard time dealing with layoffs and adjusting and all that stuff. So, but I'm here to tell you guys, there is something on the other side, right? What I enjoy about retirement is you can just say no, right? Too much in my pre-retirement life, you're always trying to make someone happy, whether it be your coworkers, your boss, or someone else. You're always going above and beyond, trying to get everything done and everything else that everyone else wants you to do. Once you retire, things slowed down quite a bit. Things slowed down quite a bit. Like, I got 3 or 4 things on my list of things to do today, but I'm out here cutting the grass, and it's not a hot day, it's not a cool day, and decided to sit down and enjoy myself a little drinky drink. So I'm thinking about just cutting it for the day, and heading inside and being done with work in the yard. There's no pressing things that say I have to get something done. I got what I needed to get done today, which was mowing the grass, because the garbage man comes tomorrow. So that's done. The rest of it can wait for eternity if it has to, I guess. So once you retire, like I said, you learn how to say no. You learn how to say no, and I got a feeling I've been saying no a lot lately. More and more I say no, and saves you from a lot of hassles, a lot of problems, a lot of other people's problems. It just keeps your life a little grounded. So that's what I enjoy about retirement. And gee, I still got hopefully I got another 20 years ahead of me here in retirement. And I hope you're watching this channel and learning how to make some money, whether you're retired or not. Even if you're not retired, you can learn from these videos as we kind of show you how to go against the system, right? A lot of people are buy and hold in the stock market. And I was that way too, until I retired and started watching these stocks on a day-to-day basis more closely, and recognizing that they have ups and downs, ups and downs, ups and downs. And if you're a buy and hold guy, you're on a ride for those 3 ups and downs. But if you're paying attention and you're watching the up and you sell, and then you let it go down and you buy it again, and then it goes up and then you sell, you can make twice, 3 times, 4 times the money versus a buy and hold guy. So that's what we try to do here. Is I pick some good quality stocks. I watch them on a daily, weekly basis, and when I see opportunity, such as we've had here with the earnings reports, and sometimes stocks just get pummeled for no reason whatsoever. That's the reality of what's going on in the market these days. We swoop in and we take advantage of what's going on and try to make a few bucks. So that's the whole strategy in a nutshell. That's the whole strategy in a nutshell. You can do this with 5,000, 10,000. You can do this with 100,000. As much money as you can afford to put towards this endeavor. I'm doing this with my 401k that I have, my self-directed 401k, and seems to be working out pretty well. I'm making as much money as I'm spending on a yearly basis. Probably this year we might make some good money this year. Things are looking up. We're just a little more than halfway through the year, and things are looking up, and gonna make some mid 6 figures, low to mid 6 figures, and without much effort. And I enjoy it. I'm having some fun here. So watch DJ Stocks. Watch our morning podcasts if you want to watch those, and come along for the journey as we enjoy retirement and try to make the most out of our stock trades. That's what it's all about. All right, like, share, subscribe if you would. We're a small and growing channel here, and trying to break out here among YouTube. So we need your like, share, and subscribe. Share this with anybody. Anybody you know that wants to make a few bucks, share it with them. All right, over and out. DJ Wonder Stocks. There you go.